Unbelievably, the majority of the fruits and vegetables we consume each day contain toxins. Farmers utilize these substances, known as pesticides, to keep pests out of their crops. On the fruit and vegetables, some of the pesticides do, however, occasionally leave a residue. Most of the time, a magnifying glass or a scientific microscope is required to see the residue. We are probably still absorbing the residue even though we can't always see it. Our health may be harmed by an excess of these pollutants. When fruit and vegetables are consumed, uncooked and improperly washed, chemicals are consumed. Because chemicals can cause cancer, this is significant. Your nervous system and reproductive system may potentially be harmed. Even birth defects can be brought on in an unborn child. It's crucial to pay attention to where you buy your fruits and veggies from and whether or not the farmer employs any chemicals. Buy organic produce when you can, to ensure that no pesticides were used on your food. Whether you purchase organic produce or not, it is still vital to thoroughly wash your fruit and vegetables to get rid of any residue. A list of all natural methods for cleaning fruits and vegetables can be found below. You can live longer, feel better, and have a lower risk of disease by following these at-home tips. Consider the following. 1. Salt. A well-known substance that can be found everywhere is salt. It comes in a variety of shapes. Rock salt and table salt quickly destroy pesticides. Pour 1 cup of salt into a bowl of fresh water. Toss the produce into the salt solution. Give them 15 minutes to soak in the water. Afterwards, pour out the salt water and fill the basin with new water. Rinse the produce at least 3 times in clean water before eating. 2. Turmeric water. Spices like turmeric have antimicrobial properties. It can therefore eliminate microorganisms. 5 teaspoons of turmeric powder should be added to a bowl of boiling water. Include the fruit and veggies in the water with the turmeric. Rinse the produce in the water containing the turmeric. Rinse the produce in a dish of fresh water. Blot dry. Now, it's safe to eat your fruit and vegetables. 3. Baking soda. Fruit and vegetables can be cleaned of dangerous pesticides and toxins using baking soda. Fill a large bowl with 5 glasses of water. 4 tablespoons of baking soda should be added. Fruit and vegetables should be soaked in this mixture. Take out the fruit and veggies after waiting 20 minutes. Rinse with plain water. Dry them off. You can now safely eat your nutritious food. 4. Vinegar. One of the most effective ingredients for removing pesticides and bacteria from your fruit and veggies is vinegar. Fill a sink with water first. Add 1 cup of white vinegar after that. Use this solution to rinse the produce. Rinse with plain water. Dry. After finishing, put the fruit and veggies in a fresh bowl. They are now ready for consumption. Nearly 90% of any residue left over from any chemicals the farmer may employ will be eliminated by using the discussed tactics and advice. You can confidently wash and better purify your produce at home, thanks to them. Also consider peeling the skin off any fruits or vegetables that have deep ridges on the skin, just to be careful. These are also the areas where chemicals may adhere to and remain. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.